Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix NVIDIA display SWT things are not available Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your Windows search box. Over here, type services and click on services. After that, in the list, find NVIDIA services. Then double click on NVIDIA Display Container LS. Set the startup type to automatic. Click apply. Click start if it's highlighted and then click OK. After that, select NVIDIA Frame View. Make a double click. Set it to automatic. Click apply. Click start if highlighted and then click OK. Then select NVIDIA Local System Container. Double click on it. Set it to automatic. Click apply. Click start and then click OK. Now open the NVIDIA Control Panel and it should launch successfully. So that's basically how you can fix NVIDIA Control Panel error. NVIDIA display settings are not available. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.